Scroll down and download. And install. After you download that and install it, open vphoneos. And open. Default. Then wait. Open it and start. You can log in Play Stores to download games you want. You can export to, like, I'm going to export